Oh my god. It's gonna flood. My dog, Trisha. Oh, we can't see him. Look, it's getting in the garage. It's fine yeah. We might get a flood warning.
Last flood, yes.
Because it's already flooding. Mom, it looks like it's on a flood.
It's fine.
Well, it's raining. So.
Hard.
We lost satellite, but they have the.
Satellite stuff's gonna go out. This rain's coming out good. You was dying to go out there, wasn't you? You wanted to go out so bad.
Can I go upstairs?
You guys go upstairs.
She says I want to. Oh no.
Looks like it died out a little bit.
Maybe.
It's just a bunch of rain. Looks like it.
CPU said dime-sized tail.
Yeah, well,
What?
we didn't see none.
What does that mean?
That's in certain parts, yeah. Hell, frozen rain.
It's raining ice.
Well,
Yeah, I think we're good.
Still a lot of rain though.
Yeah, well, flowers
What
need
is
it.
that, Shisha? What is it? You gonna get it?
alright, we don't.
Yes, yeah.
Someone just
It's out there.
a nice tornado.
There.
It's out there, Shadow.
You
Get
got
it.
up in that part.
Look up ahead of us.
That's one big thick line of rain.
Yeah.
Where's Shisha? Where's that, Shisha?
Ow.
Also, satellite.
They like name.
Allie said she lost hers too.
Oh, yeah, satellite too.
Oh, they had the same thing we do.
Cat pisses in the yard.
It's Allie gone.